Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
A couple places you can enjoy, and people will run up and down this water thing along that path right there. And then I'm going to explain this a little bit. So that over there is all the Hengqin skyline financial district. This is the Saivan bridge that goes to Macau. This is the, then this all overlooks Ocean Gardens. So people that live here can just walk over and ride the bikes or go jogging or whatever they want to do. There we go. So that's where we're just at. Pretty cool. Look at those apartments up there. Pretty cool. Okay, so you can probably see a little kiosk right there. And then we're kind of on this busy road with all the traffic on both sides with this park in the middle. And then over here is Ocean Gardens. And I've definitely filmed in here before. It looks like they're doing some new work because you see all the green. It's also about evening time, so the lights are just coming on as well. Got these beautiful palm trees, kind of typical of this street anyways. And we got our street signs, which are right over there, which I can barely see. But I'm going to label this accordingly nonetheless. And then we're going to walk by this, and I'm going to talk about this over here. I'll talk about it's like reclaimed land between here and that skyline. So stay tuned, and you're going to see another slice of Macau. And this one is going to be a good one for you because this will all be different in the future, so you get to see what it looks like in 2024. So stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we're gonna say goodbye to that one, and then we're gonna run across, and we're gonna go over there, and then we got this nice waterfront, and then you can see that on this street we can't actually walk across it. We can't walk along it. We'll have to go over like this. And then once you get over here, what happens is you get this nice car-free lane. So that was the car lane. And then this is for bicycles. So you can see the bicycles right there. And then this is what I'm going to focus on first. We got a couple places you can enjoy. And people will run up and down this water thing along that path right there. And then I'm going to explain this a little bit. So that over there is all the Hengqin skyline financial district. This is the Saivan bridge that goes to Macau. This is the Macau Tower right there. Pena Church is on that hill, but way down below. There's some casinos, AIA, Grand Lisboa Casino, Lisboa Casino, MGM Casino, Wynn Casino. They're all right in that little space. And then in the distance you can see the Science Museum. And then, so this is on Macau side, and then I'm going to talk about some beautiful cranes going by. I'll talk about this reclaimed land in the middle that's between here and there. But over there is the middle bridge, and then you got another bridge way in the distance. So there's actually going to be 4 bridges. The 4th bridge is being built right now to be ready soon. And then this is all a running path right in here. But yeah, you have this beautiful view of that skyline, but this right here is going to be reclaiming all the land between that. So as I walk the other direction, I'll tell you more about it. But yeah, basically that space there, you can kind of see it with the cement right there. So you can see that that is going to be filled with housing units and a community and who knows what all else. And then that will be the skyline that we'll see from here instead of the skyline that we currently see. So we probably won't see those casinos anymore on the other side. But if you walk down far enough, you'll be able to see Saipan Bridge for a while. So what we're on right now, also that, I guess that's the running path, so there's actually not really a walking path. So we got 2 bicycle lanes and then a running lane. And then you have your cars over on the other side. The ocean gardens in the background there. Oh, they're actually, huh. So actually these rocks went to the ocean, and then they actually just put all these sand here with trees. So it looks like they're kind of reclaiming some of it. So that's kind of interesting. That's new. I haven't been on this space in quite a while, so I wasn't really aware of that. And today is a Thursday evening, my apologies. They got speakers right there, so there's speaker in case. I think they had speakers everywhere for the COVID time period, but maybe they can let people know about other stuff or maybe they could put music here. I don't know. Anyways, I'm just kind of noticing that all the poles have speakers on them. Okay. So now you can kind of see that reclaimed land space. And I do have some old videos too. I'll put them on the background. I'll put them at the end of the video, which I usually do anyways. I put thumbnails at the end. And so any street that I filmed already, you can always see what it looked like before. I'll put the latest ones, and then you can just keep going back further if you want to watch it over time. And I haven't filmed in here for quite a while, so this is the one of the first times. Okay, so what we're gonna do in a minute is I'm gonna follow the road. And yeah, that road right there with all the traffic is basically kind of cut off from this space. So I don't even know how I would have labeled it before, but I'll definitely put them in thumbnails. Saipan Bridge. So where we're coming up next is a little plaza. So I will go into that direction, and then we'll come back to the street. So I want to make sure that you can see the street a little bit too. There's a nice park over there. But we're going to walk over towards this bus stop over here. So now we're back to our street. It's a little parking space for cars. And so yeah, basically just the fast moving traffic is coming over here. Ocean Gardens. Okay. So let me see, Avenida de Oceano. So I think it's Ocean Avenue, which would be kind of mimicking the Ocean Gardens, which is to the left. I'm probably gonna go up on top of here, and then I can overlook Ocean Avenue. We got parking here and a little plaza over there. I'll go over it. I'll look over that too. That's for electrical vehicles. Got a lot of electrical vehicle stations everywhere in Macau these days. So I'm gonna go up over that, and then we can overlook Ocean Avenue. And then it's Ocean Gardens over there. Oceano Avenida, Avenida de Oceano. So this is this little plaza, which I filmed in a previous video. And then we're gonna go up here. Then you can, we'll be able to overlook Ocean Avenue more properly, so you can get a fuller context of the street. this is all this little plaza right there. Okay, so let's go up to this space. So this overlooks this plaza. So I have another video that you can see where I walk up and down that one. And then I think Ocean Avenue, I think it starts could be this one. But nonetheless, we're gonna walk towards Ocean Gardens over here anyways. So I believe this is called Ocean Avenue right here, which overlook the ocean, but soon it's gonna overlook all those buildings over there. Before we go down there more, so there's a roundabout right there, and then yeah, the traffic is you can't really walk along that. It's just it's all blocked off from pedestrians. Every once in a while I do see a pedestrian, like a mainland tourist that will somehow end up there, or a construction worker or something, and man, it's not a good place to get stuck trying to cross. So this is the other side of Ocean Avenue. Then this all overlooks Ocean Gardens. So people that live here can just walk over and ride the bikes or go jogging or whatever they want to do. So yeah, that's Ocean Gardens right there. You can see the sign on the buildings. And all of these buildings are called Ocean Gardens, but they'll have different names, like Magnolia Court or whatever they are. So yeah, Ocean Gardens apartments overlooking Ocean Avenue. So yeah, if you have these views up here, you'll be able to oversee all this stuff over here. That tower and everything. Okay, so that's Ocean Avenue. Ocean Gardens in the background there. So, okay. So hopefully kind of interesting. So that's the skyline from up here, Macau Tower. Saivan Bridge is in the distance over that way. Chuhai is over here. Hingxing. And Ocean Gardens is right there. Okay. Ocean Avenue. And you know what? I'm gonna just drive down Ocean Avenue as well. So we just walk down it a little bit, and this will give you a little bit more context of what it looks like from this perspective. So let's see how one thing you can see is there's no way to walk. So that I just looked at a map, and then actually this is Ocean Avenue, and then when we get to this crosswalk it turns to Ocean Gardens Avenue, which, so I believe that this actually turns into a different street. And we started right around this crosswalk straight ahead here. That's our ocean, that's that park that we were walking down a little bit. And just to kind of give you a little bit of context of what this will eventually lead into, it leads into Ocean Gardens right there. But what I want to do is show you what else it looks in, what else it goes into. So my plan is to show you. I would just call all of this Ocean Gardens, Ocean Avenue. So you can actually overlook the city like that, and then now we're going to be driving into Sun Yat-sen. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to this hill. You can see this hill up there, so I'm going to go over there, and then I'm going to overlook Ocean Avenue from up there. So that's the plan. Oh yeah, so we just went up this hill. There's a hill that's right next to us. So that'll so then we can overlook everything. It's kind of cool that we have stuff like this. So I'm just gonna get up to the base. Actually, you can see some of the skyline right there through the. But I'm gonna get to a really good spot and show you. Stay tuned. Okay, so that's where we were just at a little while ago. So this is the Ocean Avenue that we were on, and then there was a little park that was over by that Saivan Bridge, and now you can see the Ocean Gardens, which was up here. Oh, actually the Ocean Gardens is down that way. This is a building up on this hill. Let me just show you that we're up on a hill, and you can hike up in here. There's all these trails and the overlook. There's El Cheater Hotel in the background, and then this is a little walking path up on the mountainside. And so now you can overlook these bridges. So now you can see there's 2 bridges over there. There's another bridge that goes to Hong Kong. So there's actually 3 bridges over there. And then this is what we often call the middle bridge, or the Governor Nobre's bridge, I think. And then that's the Saivan Bridge. So we were over there just a little while ago. So maybe that'll give a little bit more context. And then this was that spot right there where the runners are running, right in that space. So hopefully that adds a little bit more for you. And what I'm gonna do next is we're just gonna walk along this little path, and then we're just gonna go all the way to the end, and I'll get the last view that we can get. And there's Macau Tower in the distance. And so yeah, we're overlooking Ocean Avenue and Ocean Gardens Avenue as well, and then our little park, which was Marginal de Taipa. Maybe you might have saw that, all 3 of those. And so let me just end it over here where we can overlook those more properly. There we go. So that's where we're just at. Pretty cool. Look at those apartments up there. Pretty cool. More apartments. Very cool. Macau Tower, the middle bridge, an escalator that goes down. Very cool. And then that little walking path that we came, that goes up on these hiking trails up on this little mountain thing. All right. Doesn't get any better than that. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.